Hello. So today, the truth about the zero money down payment home buying programs, low money down programs, or down payment assistance programs to be able to buy a house here in Stockton, Lodi, Lathrop, Manteca, Tracy, Modesto, really the whole Central Valley and even the Bay Area. So today we're going to tell you the truth about these down payment assistance programs. We get a lot of calls on a daily basis. A lot of first-time home buyers will usually ask me, how can I buy a house with zero money down, low money down, or I've heard about these down payment assistance programs. How do they work? Are they available? How can I qualify for them? So today we're going to talk a little bit more about that. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Alex Urbano Tafoya with First Valley Realty. Thank you for joining me today. And like I was saying, we are going to be discussing these low money down programs, first-time home buyer programs, zero money down programs you've probably seen out there or you have probably heard of. And we are really going to tell you the truth about these programs, if they exist, if they work. And to be honest with you, they actually do exist. They are available. They do work. We personally have helped a few of our home buyers qualify for these types of loans. And just to give you a little bit more clarification, that these type of loans or these type of programs are used in conjunction with FHA type home loans or conventional type home loans. They are really in a form of a grant, but for the most part, they usually come as a second junior loan with deferred payments. These payments are deferred until, for the junior loan, they're deferred until you sell or you refinance the home. So they do exist, they are available, and again, the way they work is that they're used in conjunction with, with the actual home loan that you're getting to buy the house, whether it's an FHA loan or a conventional loan. So also the truth of the matter is that it's not really zero money down, but it can be close to zero money down or less. Typically, it's less than 1% of the price of the home that you're buying, depending on a few other factors. But yes, they do exist, and they can be close to zero money down. For the most part, they're usually within the range of usually 1% or less money down that you're going to have to give. Let's say, for example, the house is maybe qualify for a $300,000 house. It might be about $3,000 or less that you might have to put for the down payment. You do have to meet certain requirements. They are strict requirements. So the down payment assistance programs do require you to have credit, income, and a low DTI. You have to meet their standards. You have to meet their criteria when it comes to credit, when it comes to income, and when it comes to the DTI. You have to comply with all three in order to qualify. And also, you do have to comply with a first-time home buyer course. It's actually a very good course. Usually it can take you anywhere between 3 to 8 hours to complete. But you have to meet all three requirements, credit, income, and low DTI, to be able to qualify for the down payment assistance. So let's talk about the credit. For the majority of the down payment assistance programs, they do require you to have it. They do require you to have a 640 credit score or better, without any recent late payments. So you might have some medical payments or some medical history payments. Those are okay, but you do have to have at least a 640 credit score with no recent late payments. So you have to meet that one, the credit, that requirement. Next, it's going to be your income. Most down payment assistance programs, there is a max yearly income limit based on the number of people in your household. But the less income you report, the lower the price of the home you might be able to qualify for. The income limits are not too bad. Usually within a household of 4 to 6, they just don't want you to make more than about maybe 120,000 a year. That's all. But that's one of the other requirements. The third one is going to be your debt to income ratio. They do want you to have a low DTI or debt to income ratio. This refers to the monthly gross income minus any current financial debt, such as car payments, credit cards, anything really that might show up on your credit report with a monthly payment. So, if you do have a lot of debt right now, start paying it off to be able to qualify. And like I said, you have to meet all three requirements to be able to qualify for the down payment assistance program. So as long as you meet those three requirements, you might be able to qualify for down payment assistance programs. And usually your lender will give you more specifics, or your realtor will give you more specifics. Here are just a few examples of some of the families we have already, helped purchase their homes with down payment assistance programs. These families came to us, they met all the requirements, and they were able to actually purchase their house with very little to no money down. Most of them under 1%. They qualified to buy with their home, their first home, with the down payment assistance program. So they do exist. They are available. You can call me and ask me, for more details, or really, each case is really totally different. Each case is unique. So to be able to know exactly if you would qualify for these down payment assistance programs, we would just need to ask a few questions, or your lender would just have to ask you a few detailed questions to make sure that you qualify. So if you haven't done so, just call your lender, call me. It usually takes me within 5 minutes, I'll be able to tell you if you might qualify for these down payment assistance programs or not. And again, today we just wanted to focus on talking about, the truth about the 0% down payment programs, and they do exist. They are available. And really, thanks for watching today, and hopefully you continue to watch our videos. We'll keep, giving you more information in regards to, home buying and the entire home buying process. If you haven't done so, please follow us, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and on Twitter. Just either find me by First Valley Realty or Alex Urbano Tafoya at First Valley Realty. So we appreciate you watching. I appreciate you watching today, and give me a call, text me, leave me a message. Don't forget to continue to subscribe to our channel, and give us a thumbs up if you like this and if you found this information useful. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Thanks.